What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a guess what's in the box video. Just a quick little video on a energy suspension part that I picked up from Jegs. It was drop shipped to me by Energy Suspension. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so just going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. So this box is 7 1/4 inches long by 7 3/8 wide. And it is 5 1/2 inches deep. What do you guys think is in the box? It might be kind of obvious with what's sitting next to it. But, you know, what do you guys think it is? Is it bushings for this shock? Is it bushings for another shock? You know, this shock is a Bilstein B8 5100 series shock. It does not have the original boot on it. The original boot was black. I put a Rancho boot on this one. This shock is 33-187174, which was superseded by 33-313164. And yes, I remember that off the top of my head. But you guys let me know what you think is in the box. You know, is it another boot kit? Is it more bushings like I have sitting here? Is it a Bilstein bushing kit? You know, who knows? But, you know, this is going to be a quick, short little video. It's not going to be too long. I do want to say thank you to everybody that stops by the channel as well. Started my wife's shade cloth project using 10-foot 4x4s that are treated 4x4s. They're going 2 feet into the ground. I've gotten 2 already concreted in. The concrete is drying. I got 4 more poles to put up. So that's going pretty well. Other than that weather, just randomly it hailed yesterday or Tuesday, which is. Or not Tuesday, but Monday. It hailed Monday. It was kind of random. Excuse me. Just every day has been kind of a blur with my dog and his cancer and everything. I'm only getting about 3-4 hours of sleep between the kids and the family and my dog Bullseye, and his medication is a couple of his meds are every 8 hours. One of them's every day at 9 p.m. So it's been pretty hectic, but, you know, I do appreciate everybody stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!